In this video, we'll walk through an automated application that simplifies two essential tasks for businesses: converting GSTR-2A Excel files and generating Tally-compatible XML files. Whether you're managing taxes or bookkeeping, this tool is built to save time and improve accuracy. Let's dive in. First, please go to the www.sompolyandco.com. Navigate to Productivity Tools, go to Login Access. It will navigate through Python Project Web Application. If you are first-time users, please register or existing user. Please log into the application. You will see a clean, user-friendly dashboard. From here, you can select between various options depending on your needs. Whether you want to convert your GSTR-2A files or generate XML for Tally, everything is accessible in just a few clicks. To begin, let's transform an Excel document into the GS2A format. I've just accessed an expansive GSTR-2A Excel file containing 14,000 entries filled with disorganized data, including subtotals and blank rows. We can streamline this transformation by merely clicking on Convert Excel to GS2A, choosing the appropriate file, after which the application will automatically handle the B2B and CDNR data. The refined file will then be available for download, ready for examination or submission. Now, let's move on to generating an XML file for Tally. This tool comes with a pre-built Excel template that includes fields like date, voucher type, ledger details, and amounts. Simply fill in your data, upload the completed file, and our application converts it into a Tally-compatible XML format. This eliminates manual entry errors, making it easier to import data into Tally. Your data security is our priority. The application comes with built-in user authentication, ensuring that only authorized users can access the sensitive data. Upon successful registration, you can log in and securely use the application's features. To sum it up, this automated tool simplifies the tax filing and bookkeeping process, converting Excel files into GSTR-2A format and generating Tally-compatible XML files. If you're managing a business and dealing with GST and Tally regularly, this application is designed to make your life easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.